Welcome, Must-Own Tool fans. Today we're going to talk about cutting tools, including our crosscut saw, utility knife, tin snips, and last but not least, a good pair of scissors. But first, before we get started, as always at Must-Own Tools, safety first always. Put on a good pair of goggles or safety glasses, whatever you have. We recommend you utilize gloves as well, but that one's kind of up to you. So the first cutting tool is a good crosscut saw. This one we inherited from our grandfather, but it still works. It's in good shape. It's a little bent on the end, but it still works. Now, when you cut your piece of wood, we recommend clamping it down so that it doesn't move on you. You know, in this case, we've got clamp. We've got a waste piece of wood, and the reason for that is we don't want to leave a mark on our wood that we're going to use in our project. So we've already marked the board. When you get started, you just simply create a groove. And this saw has two blade sizes. We're going to turn it over. And there you go. You just cut away. And you cut till you're done. And it works great. Secondly is utility knives. There's two kinds. One is a retracting, as you see here, a retracting blade. This one, a little higher quality, is a little more of our favorite, is Milwaukee Tools folding utility knife. Remember, always fold that away from you. So safety first, and then when you're going to cut something or mark it, do your best to cut away from your body. It's really easy to cut towards you, but that's when accidents happen. Make sure you have a good sharp blade. You shouldn't have to push too hard. If you're muscling through it, it means your blade is dull. Time to change the blade. When it's time to change a blade, we recommend use something like a heavy-duty piece of tape and wrap that blade up good in the tape so that the sharp edge is really good and covered. Protect yourself, protect family members, and protect the garbage person from getting cut. Next is a good pair of metal snips. There's three versions that I'm aware of: a straight cut, a right cut, and a left cut. And these are for metal. You can also use them on what I call light plastic, but they do a great job. As you can see there, they've cut right into the metal. So a good pair of tin snips or metal snips. Some people call them aviation snips, slightly different kind, but any of those work great. And then lastly, we highly suggest a good pair of scissors for your DIY toolkit. A lot of people don't recommend that for the garage or for DIY projects, but we think they're great. Things like, for example, in this case, cutting open plastic. You know, how many times have you received or bought a product and it's so tightly packaged you can't even open it? So a good pair of scissors will allow you to open it. Thank you for watching our Cutting Tools 101 video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. This helps us to continue providing more DIY tips in the future.